What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another cocktail video. And today's cocktail, guys, is the American Beauty, and I will show you guys how to make this cocktail. So get your tin shaker and pour in your ingredients. First ingredient to go in, guys, is 2 parts. So we're talking a 50 ml, maybe just short of 2 ounces of brandy. Next ingredient is again 2 parts, 50 ml, which is just again short of 2 ounces of vermouth. We're using a dry vermouth to be precise. Right, next is 25 ml, just short of 1 ounce of orange juice. Right, next is 2 dashes of simple or sugar syrup. So to be precise, a dash is about 5 ml, so we're putting about 10 ml here. So again, another 2 dashes or 10 ml of grenadine. Right, put your lid on. And now give it a good shake to 8 to 10 seconds to get it nice and chill. There we go, as you can see it's nice and chill now. So get your martini glass. So get your martini glass and strain it. And now, add 25 ml, just short of 1 ounce of port. And there we go, 1 American Beauty. How does it taste?
Not great.
Not great.
Not great.
Again, just like the last one, I didn't really enjoy it. It's £200 less. I feel like the port runs it. It's the American Beauty, that's how we make it, but not for me. I just can't enjoy it. Because another person might enjoy it, because for me, I think the port runs it the last bit. Should have tasted it before pouring the port. But maybe JSGC might enjoy it, because let's see what he thinks.
What does it taste?
Like I said, I didn't enjoy it.
I see what you mean with the port.
That's a compliment that, but I just don't enjoy it.
It's not one of my favourites either. It's not bad though. It's alright. Just not something I'd go for.
Not what I'd go for, I'd order at the bar like that. Well, not to be put off, because say you might enjoy this, because say if you enjoy the move cocktails, but the port just ruins it for me like that. Well, that's the American Beauty cocktail. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. But say, give me your thoughts. What do you think of the American Beauty? Have you ever had it before in your life? But don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid if you wish to see more cocktails like this. Hopefully next week we'll have one out extra enjoy after 2 disappointments, really.
You starting a new series next week?
I think we are. So I think it's that time again. You know what time it is. I know what time it is.
Good story to keep you up though.
I bet you can guess what it is. What the month is next week. So that gives it away what it is. It's a certain someone's favourite series, and hopefully it's your favourite series. What's coming up? It will be the Halloween cocktail series coming back for the 3rd year, and I hope you stick around as I do have a few funky cocktails waiting for you guys, and I can't wait to show you them as I will enjoy these. But don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid, and I will see you guys for the next cocktail video. Cheers.